Welcome back to Your Finance Lab. When it comes to building wealth, success isn't just about earning a lot of money. It's about following the right financial rules. These rules are the foundation that guides every decision, helping you save more, invest wisely, and grow your wealth over time. In today's video, we'll share 10 essential financial rules that you must follow to build long-term wealth. These principles are simple but powerful, and they've been proven to work time and time again. Stick around until the end for a bonus rule that ties everything together. Let's dive in. This is the golden rule of personal finance. No matter how much money you make, you'll never build wealth if you're spending more than you earn. Living within, or ideally below, your means creates the surplus you need to save and invest. The more you save, the faster you'll reach your financial goals. Actionable tips. Track your income and expenses to identify unnecessary spending. Set a monthly savings target and treat it as a non-negotiable expense. Avoid lifestyle inflation. Don't increase your spending as your income grows. Paying yourself first means prioritizing saving and investing before you spend on anything else. This simple habit ensures that your financial goals come first, not last. It's one of the easiest ways to build wealth over time. When you automate this process, you're building wealth on autopilot. Actionable tips. Set up automatic transfers to your savings or investment accounts as soon as you get paid. Start with at least 10 to 20% of your income and increase it as your financial situation improves. Use separate accounts for savings and spending to avoid the temptation to dip into your savings. High-interest debt, like credit card balances, is one of the biggest obstacles to building wealth. The interest payments eat away at your income, leaving you with less money to save or invest. Successful people focus on eliminating debt as quickly as possible. Debt isn't always bad, but high-interest debt is a wealth killer. Actionable tips. Prioritize paying off debts with the highest interest rates first, also known as the avalanche method. Avoid carrying a balance on credit cards by paying them off in full each month. Use balance transfer offers or debt consolidation loans to lower your interest rates. An emergency fund protects you from unexpected expenses, like medical bills or car repairs, without relying on debt. It's the financial cushion you need to weather life's ups and downs while staying on track with your goals. Having an emergency fund is the first step to financial security. Aim to save 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in a separate account. Start small with a goal of $1,000 and build from there. Keep your emergency fund in a high-yield savings account for easy access and better returns. Building wealth isn't just about saving, it's about growing your money through investing. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow through compound interest. Long-term investing focuses on consistent growth, not short-term market fluctuations. Wealth is built by staying in the market, not trying to time it. Start investing in low-cost index funds or ETFs for broad market exposure. Use tax-advantaged accounts like a 401k or IRA to maximize your returns. Set up automatic contributions to ensure you invest consistently. Diversification is about spreading your investments across different asset classes to reduce risk. By not putting all your eggs in one basket, you protect yourself from market volatility while increasing the chances of steady growth. Diversification is the key to a resilient portfolio. Allocate your investments across stocks, bonds, real estate, and other assets. Use target date or balance funds if you're unsure how to allocate your portfolio. Rebalance your portfolio annually to maintain your desired level of diversification. Knowledge is one of the most powerful tools for building wealth. Financially successful people are lifelong learners. They stay informed about personal finance, investing, and economic trends. The more you know, the better decisions you'll make. Education is an investment in your financial future. Actionable tips. Read one personal finance or investing book each month. Follow reputable blogs, podcasts, and YouTube channels like YourFinanceLab. Take online courses or attend workshops to deepen your understanding. Building wealth is one thing, keeping it is another. Financially savvy people use insurance, estate planning, and diversification to protect their assets. Unexpected events, like accidents or lawsuits, can derail your financial progress if you're not prepared. Wealth protection is just as important as wealth creation. Actionable tips. Ensure you have adequate insurance coverage for health, life, auto, and property. Create an estate plan, including a will or trust, to ensure your assets are distributed according to your wishes. Use umbrella insurance for additional liability protection. You can't improve what you don't measure. Financially successful people regularly track their net worth, savings, and investment performance to stay on top of their goals. Tracking progress keeps you accountable, and helps you identify areas for improvement. Small, consistent wins lead to big results. Actionable tips. Use tools like spreadsheets or apps like Personal Capital to track your net worth. Schedule monthly or quarterly financial reviews to evaluate your progress. Celebrate milestones like paying off debt or hitting a savings target to stay motivated. Building wealth takes time, patience, and discipline. Financially successful people focus on their long-term goals, rather than getting distracted by short-term setbacks or market noise. They understand that wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. Staying focused on your vision is the secret to lasting success. Actionable tips. Write down your long-term financial goals and revisit them regularly. Avoid making impulsive financial decisions based on emotions or trends. Keep reminding yourself of your why, the reason you want to build wealth. Wealth isn't just about accumulating money, it's about creating a positive impact. Generosity, whether through charitable giving or supporting your community, not only helps others but also reinforces a healthy relationship with money. Giving back is the ultimate sign of financial success. Actionable tips. Set aside a percentage of your income for charitable donations or community projects. Volunteer your time or skills to causes you're passionate about. Involve your family in giving to create a shared sense of purpose. Building wealth doesn't happen overnight, but by following these 10 financial rules, you can create a strong foundation for lasting success. Remember, it's not just about earning more. It's about managing, protecting, and growing your money wisely. Which rule resonates most with you? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more personal finance tips from YourFinanceLab. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.